Barbie! Sabi ko na Barbie eh!
Hello!
Smile.
Big smiles!
Thank you. Thank you so much. What's up, Dimara family? It's your boy Christian.
It's your boy Grayson! It's your boy Asher!
So, kamusta kayong lahat, guys? So, for today's video, samahan nyo kami. Pupunta kami sa isang parang Christmas light show dito sa lugar namin. So, drive-in lang siya dahil nga winter na, masyadong malamig. Hindi tayo makakalabas. So, parang talagang ginawa talaga siya for drive show lang. Dadaanan nyo lang siya. Tapos, maraming decoration na iba-ibang klaseng Christmas light decoration. And, ayun, bago tayo magsimula, ako nga pala si Manong Chris na walan sa ngayon, pero para sa mga anak ko, ako ay babaon. Yeah! Tatlo kami ngayon, kasama namin sila ate pupunta doon, pero nandun sila. So, bali yung pupuntahan namin, mga 30 minutes drive din, kaya medyo malayo-layo, kaya ayun. Tara!
Yeah!
Boy! Oh, mahulog ka! Canadian Tire Magic Lights. That's what it's called. So, may bayad siya, 35 ata per car. So, iikutin lang natin tong mga to. Tingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga ganda doon. Ano? Huwag nyo akong gayahin, guys, ha? Ano lang naman to, guys. Wala naman ibang nagdadrive sa loob. No, we're just going inside the car. That's it. So, yan.
Before we go inside, you have to wake up!
Asher, look! Asher!
Asher!
Wow! So nice! Wow! Wake up! Come on now, you're gonna miss the fun!
Yeah!
See?
We don't get to go inside, right, Daddy?
Yeah. Go look around, okay?
Asher, are you ready to go inside? Yeah! Christmas! We're still looking for the ticket.
So ito, panimula lang pala yan. Doon pa yung toll. Oo, toll. Doon pa magbabayad. Oh.
Wow! Lumator!
A
I
what?
just said
Oh, it's a monster
Lumator!
car.
Huh?
It's a monster truck. Did you see it?
Yeah, I didn't see it.
Whoa.
I want those.
Well, then, look around and enjoy.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, did you have a ticket?
No.
Okay, it's gonna be $42.
I'll be on
And
debit.
did you want to donate to Stars today?
Maybe next time.
Okay.
Are we going inside?
Alright, you're all good to go.
Okay, thank you.
Enjoy.
So matagal na kaming gustong pumunta dito, guys. Like, every year sana. Pero ngayon lang kami pumunta.
Why are we not going inside?
Because it's called Grayson. This is for outside only, outside show. See? Whoa.
We're going in.
Yeah. Nagamitan ako, wala akong windshield washer.
We're going in, Daddy.
Wow. So pinunta ko yung mga anak ko dito para na mag-enjoy sila kahit papano, no? Weekend ko rin kasi kasama sila, kaya kailangan mag-enjoy kami. What do you think, guys? Is it nice? You like it?
I
Wow, I
like
see a dragon, kuya.
Huh?
I see a dragon.
There? Right there?
There. There. Look to your left. Okay, I'm gonna drive slow, so lit.
Dragon's
that?
not my favorite.
Well, I'm just saying, there's a dragon.
Look, that's like a monster truck jumping.
Where?
Right there. Right over there, look.
So sabi $35 daw, pero 42 yung binayaran ko. And
Oh, look, there's a dinosaur.
I guess we have to
Look,
like...
there's two dinosaur heads.
Oh yeah.
There's two dinosaurs.
Just chilling. Papasok na tayo sa ano,
Going in
mga
Jurassic
dinosaur.
Park?
Yes, we are.
Look, there's pterodactyls.
Where?
Right there. Christmas and
Where?
Christmas. Right there.
Right there.
And there.
What do you call that? Dinosaur.
Stegosaurus.
Hey, what?
Stegosaurus.
That one?
Yeah. Dad, do that.
How about this one? On this side.
That.
How about that? A what?
Walrus.
Okay.
And that
You have to
one
teach your brother too, okay?
is a raptor.
That's a raptor, yes.
And that
It's a raptor.
is actually three.
What is that?
A raptor is a hat.
The long neck one?
Yeah, look. It
Oh.
bounced on the
What?
Hey, look.
Santa is like sliding, hey?
Yeah. A Brachiosaurus. Look, Stegosaurus.
And this, what is this? Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus! Dito na tayo sa site na kung ano naman, random stuff. So tapos na tayo sa dinosaur park. See? You see the potato guy. What's his name, Kuya?
Potato head.
It's a potato head.
It's
And there's a Barbie right here. Barbie! Sabi ko na Barbie eh! You like Barbie?
No, it's for girls. It's girls.
It's for girls. So dadaan tayo sa ganitong eksena na naman dito. Hindi ko alam yung tawag mo dito man. Grabe to man. It's a race cars. So what do you see?
It's auction vehicles and Hot Wheel cars.
Hot wheel cars.
And a ramp. And even the present.
Nandito na tayo ngayon sa monster truck side. I mean, I don't know. Hindi na pala. Nativity. Nandito tayo sa Nativity. Feliz Navidad. Rapapapampam.
No!
So I think nasa kalahati pa lang kami. And then parang ilang minuto na ba? 16 minutes na yung nakakalipas ng ating pagdadrive. Kaya nandito pa lang tayo sa side na to. Marami bata itong mababa pa. Doon tayo pumasok kanina. Kailangan bagalan mo lang dito para sulit na sulit yung bayad mo. Pakitang-kita mo talaga kung ano yung mga nakalagay. Go sing Christmas song. Jingle bells, buto ni Isabel. Ay, oy, bakit tinatanggal ni Grayson yung ano niya?
Christmas.
Ayusin natin na mamaya bago tayo malis guys yung kanyang seatbelt kasi lagi niya tinatanggal eh. Tsaka umaano sa may jacket niya.
Tula.
Wow, kaso. Yeah, I think this is the Cinderella. Do you know Cinderella?
I didn't know.
You don't know? You don't know? Oh, do you have to like turn off the light? I didn't know that. I have to turn off the light so it's better. My faults. Nakakabit pala siya ng maayos. Sadyang ano lang yung winter jacket niya malaki. Sakto lang sa balikat niya pala. Galan yung bata na yun. Hindi ko talaga alam kung gaano pa kalayo to. Pero, napakaganda.
I see like a candy cane tunnel.
Dito, pwede daw mag-picture dito. Diyan sa labas na kasi may mga nag-park na. Pero mukhang madulas. Maglalakad lang kami dito dahil napakadulas. Siguro hindi na namin tatapusin lahat to. Yung mga magaganda lang. Mag-aasa lang siguro kami ng someone para picture lang kami. Pero guys, you guys wanna take a picture here first? Okay, smile.
We have to pass all of them.
Yeah, go in the middle, okay? Go. Here, we go beside your brother. Smile. Come on.
Let's go that one. Let's go in that tunnel. I want to go in that tunnel.
Uh-oh. Bumalik siya, may aso eh.
Hey.
It's like negative 20. Whoa. Okay, come.
This.
Where? Hey, careful. No running, Ash. Ash. Oh, see? It's slippery, I said. So, balikan niya na lang. Di na namin tatapusin. Napakalamig. Okay. Ayun na. Nanginginig na yung kamay ko. Smile. Wait. Hey, cheese. Don't move. Again, on my phone. Hold on.
You want to get in with him?
Sure. Thank you. Just put it like this. Okay, smile.
Big smiles.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So alis na kami guys dahil sobrang lamig na. Sakit na ng kamay ko. Itong dalawang to ako, immortal ata itong mga ito, nilalamig eh. Let's go boys! Asher, no running I said. You're gonna fall. Let's go! No running! So yun guys, tapos na yung gala natin. After neto, mag-hotpot kami pero hindi na kami mag-vlog doon dahil sobrang lamig! Did you guys have fun?
Yeah!
Is it cold?
No.
Okay, say bye!
Bye!
Say see you next time!
See you next time! I hope you guys had fun too.
Yeah!
Yeah!
So yun guys, magkita-kita na lang tayo sa next vlog ulit. Maraming salamat sa inyo. God bless everybody.
No!
Peace.